Welcome, fam. If your body feels stiff, heavy, or it's dragging behind your day, you're not lazy. You're just tight in places that hold tension overnight. We're going to change that in just 5 minutes, starting from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. There's a reason toddlers squat better than adults. We lose mobility where we stop moving, and the hips are always first to go. Start standing tall, hinge at the hips and touch your toes. Drop into a deep squat, a chest proud, elbows are pressing knees apart. Then reach hands up and return to standing. Then lift up your hips into a forward fold. Repeat slowly. You're going to feel a pull through your hamstrings, inner thighs and ankles. Your hips starting to wake up and expand. This move reopens the 3 most compressed joints from sitting: ankles, knees and hips. You'll walk taller and feel lighter by the end of this flow. What you feel now is only step 1. We're about to go deeper into the hips. On the next squat, pause for 5 seconds. Elbows wide, chest high. Can you feel the difference between how you squatted at the start and now? That just unlocked your foundation. Now let's stretch into the depth of your hips. The stretch is emotional. The hips are where your body stores stress, tension, and even unprocessed emotions. From hands and knees, bring your right knee forward toward your right wrist. Stretch your left leg straight behind you. And fold forward slowly and breathe deep into the tension. You're going to feel a deep opening in the right outer hip and glute. Maybe a little resistance. Don't fight it, just breathe into it. This releases the piriformis and glute mid, which affect posture, gait, and even lower back pain. The left side might feel totally different. We'll find out in a moment. Can you melt 1 inch lower into the stretch? Hold for 5. Where do you feel this more? Your hip or your lower back? That just unlocked your right hip. Now let's even you out. Now we move into the other side. And for many, this is the one that talks back. You'll feel imbalances here you didn't even know existed. Bring your left knee forward, placing it outside your left wrist. Slide the right leg back, staying square through your hips. Lower into the stretch and relax the jaw. You're going to feel a deep release through the left hip and glute. Soft pressure, not pain. Stay present. This opens range of motion for your gait, prevents knee pain, and improves pelvic alignment. Hip tightness can pull your entire spine out of balance. Breathe into the resistance for 5 more seconds. Slow, calm, full breath. Which hip needs more attention today? That just unlocked your pelvis. Now let's give it mobility from the inside. If your hips always feel off or tight no matter how much you stretch, this move is usually the missing key. Sit on the floor with knees bent, feet wider than hips. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center. Alternate sides slowly. You're going to feel a deep rotation at the ball of your hip joint, not just the knees moving. Internal rotation is the first thing lost in sedentary bodies. Restoring it helps with walking, squatting, and even sitting. Our final move will reignite all this mobility into an upright posture. Try going a little deeper into each rotation. Hold one side for 5. Can you feel the internal glide in your hips or just your knees shifting? That just unlocked your joint rotation. Now let's close with the posture upgrade. This isn't just a stretch, it's a signal. It tells your hips to stay open and stable the rest of the day. Kneel with your toes flat, knees hip-width apart. Squeeze your glutes as you hinge back, then return tall. Hands on hips or arms crossed. You're going to feel your glutes firing, hips stretching, core staying strong. This builds strength where your body wants to collapse, helping your mobility stick all day. This stretch is also a low-key glute activation drill. Can you keep your core tight and glutes active for 5 more seconds? Did your spine stay long or did you hinge from your lower back? That's just locked in your strength. Your hips and spine are now aligned, but tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.